So this is what we think we know. The good. We are getting fuel and power to the ignition coil, which we replaced and installed. The issue, we don't know how much voltage we are getting, and we don't know how much voltage we are losing from some kind of a battery connection issue, possibly. Power is getting to the ignition coil, but not getting to the distributor. So in other words, if I understand right, this has power, but it's not going from here to there. But we tested it we bypassed this cord right here, or we bypassed this with just going straight to it with the tester, straight from the distributor to the this middle one on the top of straight from the coil to the distributor, and we bypassed it, and it still didn't bring the electricity from there, or the spark from there to there, which is curious. So on my notes I have, it's possible that the new ignition coil that I got is bad. And it's also possible that the cables are bad, but the issue with that is that we bypassed that and it still happened. So that makes absolutely no sense to me. And then the other thing we're going to do is replace the wires from the battery to this mount, because this mount over here is just danky. Look how that looks to there. It's like a different gauge wire. It's also rusted and stuff here. So there might be some kind of drain happening with that not being good enough, which kind of reminds me of the Honda issue. So that's what I'm working with so far, and that's what I know.